Alright, this is my first nook, and I'm learning, doing my own videos, so I just propped it up against something. So a nook is when you get somebody to put in like two or three frames, and some honey or sugar or something, so the bees will come to the nook. This is a swarm trap, or sorry, okay. So you buy a nook, and somebody will give you like 2 to 5 frames, some handful of bees. They'll make a new queen in that, so they'll get going. Or some send that queen with them, and then the queen from the hive they took it from will say, oh God, there's no queen, so they'll make another one. This here's a swarm trap. Basically, it's just a card or a box. I'll have to do the lid over there. And they hang it up in a tree 10, 15 feet, throw a little bit of lure in it, and you put like 2 frames of honey on brew or whatever. Not totally good with all the terms, but so this is one he found and got. So we're gonna move the bees now over here into the box that I want to keep, so we can have a swarm trap back. So you know, you kind of just smoke the bees. That way they know somebody's coming. It ain't to scare them, get rid of them. It's to say, hey, we're gonna do some stuff. Don't get too excited. So, they're really in here right now. So what we're gonna do is just transfer them over to this box. So I'll probably take 4 frames. 2, 4, 5 I got out. You want to keep them in the same order. So just nice and slowly taking this frame. You see all the bees on there. They're not good to know what they're doing, but all them combs are filled with like, looks like honey or pollen. See, I'm not quite 100% sure. It's nice and easy. Slide it in there. Okay. Now we take out the second one. There's nothing on the back side of that one. So now we're taking this frame. A queen, I don't know if there's going to be one in here or not, but she'll be just a little bit longer. Right, too close. But, okay, this one's being capped over. See, there's some of that honey up here in the corner again. But everything else is capped, so I don't know if that's brew making or what. Not seeing a queen on here. I'm just getting started and learning this. I got a couple other frames or boxes that I just started too. We found 3 queens out of 4 of them. But see, these are all capped. They're working on honey. You can see the guy, he's buried his head right in there working, doing something. So, just keep it in the same order. And just drop it in there, try not to kill too many bees. You know, and don't pack them too tight. Some guys say, oh, it's a 10 frame super. Gotta put 10 frames back in there. Like the guy who's been teaching me, he said that's just too tight. Do a 9 frame, give him a little bit of room. So, Eddie, get out of here. Go on. Get. My dog, just don't want to get him stung. Come on. So this one's half capped. Okay, there's some white stuff down in there, so I'd imagine that's the brew or larva. Sorry, not sharp on all technical terms. But, see, I don't see no queen in here. Now this one's got like honeycombs, and then in the middle they got like brew or something capped. So I'm assuming brew. Or it could be the honey being capped. But still don't see no queen. Queens are very easy to see once you just kind of look a little bit. Take this frame out, make it this one going to? And you just go slow with the bees. You know, this is my first time. If you go fast, scare them, kick the box or something stupid, that gets them excited. But now, I don't know how good you can see, but there's two size bees in here. You got all the workers, but then all of a sudden you see these bigger ones. You think they're a queen at first. Well, my daughter thought they were the queen, but I think them are the warriors, but that's not the technical name. I can't think of it right now. Guard, thrones, or whatever. Well, these guys are going to town pretty good. Like I said, this is a trap Buddy put out. We're just going to put a bag in here. See, they're not doing nothing on this one here. They're just over there visiting, so he's got wire frames, it looks like. What I'm going to do is like brush them off, or you just hit them and they'll fall down. See, right there, 80% fell down. Now that frame's empty. Kind of get a little irritated, but you want to just get them out of this box and put them up. Now, when it's burning, like I said, just burn anything that smokes. You know, start with some paper, and go to cardboard or whatever, but see a couple of them getting a little irritated, but you gotta watch it so you don't burn your gloves. Now what we're going to do on this thing is close the entrance so they can't get in here anymore. Then we're going to evict all these ones. There you go, buddies. Got a flame. Okay, so that one's pretty much empty. Might be a bee or two left, but we're getting it out of here. So, let's see. Smoker. So we got all the bees put in here. So we need to add a frame. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know, it's pretty tight in there. I mean, we could squish them and add a 10th one, but I think we're going to leave them alone. So, you know, I got a little stick here at the entrance. Oops, it just disappeared. So, but then next thing that goes on will be this. You know, we're just trying to, I left the swarm trap over here for about 3 days till they get used to it. Now this is a little bit bigger than the lid, that top one, so you can get a little bit of air ventilation going on. So the only thing left to do is fix my stick. See, they got these markers that you can buy to mark the queen and stuff. So I had ants, so somebody said take cinnamon, put around the ground and on the boards, so that'll keep the ants out. So that swarm trap had ants all over it. But alright, this is my first video about bees. So not that good yet. We're still learning. But you got to start somewhere. So hope the neighbors don't get too mad. Them ones are pretty good. But alright guys, if you like it, subscribe. Good luck with your bee adventures. Thank you.